What happens after death? Have you ever wondered what happens after we die? It is a big question, and many people think about it. Some say that when we die, everything stops. Others believe in heaven, a place full of peace and happiness. But what if something different happens? What if death is not really the end? What if it is the beginning of something new? Imagine this. When a person takes their last breath, their life does not disappear. Instead, it connects with a new life, like a bridge between the past and the future. It is like a secret door that opens, leading to another chance to live. When someone dies, their energy does not just vanish. It moves, it transforms, it becomes something else. That energy goes into a newborn baby. But the baby does not remember anything about the past life. The baby is fresh, new, ready to start again. It is like a candle passing its flame to another candle. One light goes out, but another begins to shine. Think about a river. The water flows, always moving, always changing. A drop of water does not disappear. It becomes part of the ocean. Life is the same. When a person dies, they do not completely disappear. Their energy becomes part of the great cycle of life. Have you ever met a baby and felt something special? Sometimes we look into a baby's eyes and feel like they are full of wisdom, like they have seen something before. Maybe this is because they carry the energy of someone who lived before them. Some people believe that this is why babies sometimes smile in their sleep or cry for no reason. Maybe they feel something deep inside, an echo of a past life. But as they grow, they forget. The past fades away, and they begin their new journey, creating new memories. Life and death are like the sun and the moon. The sun goes down, but the moon rises. When the night is over, the sun shines again. It is a beautiful cycle, always moving, always changing. Think about the leaves on a tree. In autumn, the leaves fall to the ground. But in spring, new leaves grow. The tree is still there, strong and alive. Death is like autumn, and life is like spring. One ends, and another begins. If death is not the end, then we do not need to be afraid. It means that we are part of something bigger, something endless. Every goodbye is also a hello. When someone we love dies, they are not truly gone. Their energy moves forward, becoming part of a new life. Maybe this is why we sometimes meet people and feel like we have known them forever. Maybe, in some way, we have. The world is full of mystery, and life is a beautiful, endless journey. Some people believe in reincarnation. This means that after death, a person is born again in a new body. They live a new life, in a new place, with a new family. They do not remember their past, but their soul continues. Many religions talk about reincarnation. They say that good actions in one life can bring happiness in the next life. Other people believe in heaven. They think that when a good person dies, they go to a peaceful place where they can rest forever. In heaven, there is no pain, no sadness, only joy and love. People are happy, and they can see their family members who died before them. Some believe that after death, the soul waits for a final judgment. In this belief, people go to a place where they are judged for their actions in life. If they were good, they go to a beautiful place. If they were bad, they may go to a place of learning before they can move on. There are also people who believe that nothing happens after death. They think that when we die, it is the end. There is no soul, no heaven, no rebirth. For them, life is only what we see and feel now. Science has tried to answer the question of what happens after death. Scientists say that when a person dies, their body stops working. The heart stops, the brain stops, and the body begins to break down. But science does not know what happens to the soul, or if there is a soul at all. This is still a mystery. Even though no one knows for sure what happens after death, many people find comfort in believing in something. It helps them to live without fear. If we believe that life continues in some way, we can feel more peaceful about saying goodbye to loved ones. Think about dreams. Sometimes when we sleep, we have dreams that feel real. We go to places we have never seen, meet people we do not know, and feel emotions that are very strong. What if death is like a dream? Maybe when we die, we wake up in another world, just like waking up from sleep. Many people tell stories of near-death experiences. Some say they see a bright light, feel great peace, or meet loved ones who have passed away. Others say they feel like they are floating above their body. These stories make us wonder if death is not the end, but just a doorway to another world. If we think about life as a journey, then death is just one stop on that journey. We do not know where the road leads, but we keep moving forward. Just like a traveler does not stop after one place, the soul might not stop after one life. In the end, no one knows the full answer to what happens after death. But maybe that is the beauty of it. Life is full of mysteries, and death is one of the greatest mysteries of all. We can choose to believe in something that brings us peace and hope. Whether it is heaven, reincarnation, or the idea that our energy continues, we can find comfort in the thought that life is never truly over. Next time you see a baby smile, remember, that smile might be carrying the light of a life that came before, ready to shine once more. And maybe, when our time comes, we too will shine again, in another time, in another place, in another wonderful adventure.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.